Hey friends, if you wish to install Notepad on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, it's not very difficult, but here's the thing. Notepad already exists as an application on Windows by default, and we do not need to uninstall it because it's one of the lightest applications. But let's say, for example, for some reason you uninstalled it, you removed it, which I did right now for the sake of this example. So to reinstall it, the best method is to search for store in the Windows search bar and go to the Microsoft Store, search for Notepad and hit enter. The first application is Windows Notepad. Click on it and wait. Check that it should be the one by Microsoft Corporation, because there are many similar ones which are by other organizations. And then click on install. Now it will start installing Notepad. It will need a few seconds for that, although it's a very light application, but it will still need around 1 minute to download and install this application. And once it does, you can click on open to open Notepad, or search for Notepad in the Windows search bar and you can open from here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.